Hey everyone, it's Aurora, and today we're at American Village in Palm Coast, Florida, touring this 55 up community built by D.R. Horton. If you've been dreaming about a low maintenance living in Florida, you are gonna want to see this. Let's go take a look around. One thing I always point out when touring a new construction home like this is how the process works when buying from a builder. When you visit a model home, the sales team here is incredibly knowledgeable about the community, the floor plans, and all the design options available. They are a great resource when it comes to understanding what the builder offers. Whereas I come in as a realtor, I'm helping you through the process by protecting you, and I'm on your side, especially if you're relocating to Flagler County and still getting familiar with the area. I help buyers compare communities, understand contracts and timelines, think about resale value, and make sure the home you choose really fits your lifestyle and long-term goals. Now let's talk about the home we're touring today. This is the Avon floor plan here in American Village, a 55 up gated community right here in Palm Coast. The Avon is a single-story home with about 1,604 square feet, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a covered lanai. One thing you'll notice right away is how bright and open this space feels. The large windows throughout the home bring in a lot of natural light and the open concept layout, which makes the living area perfect for entertaining or spending time with family and friends. And the primary suite is definitely a highlight. It's spacious and includes dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and an oversized walk-in closet, which is perfect for some people who really appreciate and want to downsize but still want comfort and storage. Now, what makes this community really special is the lifestyle that comes with it. This is a 55 and up gated community designed for people who want that relaxed Florida lifestyle without all the maintenance. There's only about 45 homes here, which helps keep the neighborhood quiet, private, and very community oriented. Residents have access to a community pool, sun deck, and cabana, which is perfect for relaxing or meeting neighbors and enjoying the Florida sun. And one of my favorite features for many buyers is that lawn maintenance is included. So instead of spending your weekends doing yard work, you can actually spend that time enjoying everything Palm Coast has to offer. And speaking of location, you're just minutes from Palm Coast beaches, golf courses, pickleball courts, shopping, restaurants, and parks, which makes it really easy to stay active and connected to the community. So if you're someone thinking about relocating to Flagler County, communities like this are a great example of how different lifestyle options are available. Whether you're downsizing, looking for low maintenance living, or just ready to enjoy more of that Florida lifestyle, this is definitely a community worth checking out. If you're thinking about moving to Palm Coast or anywhere in Flagler County and want help exploring communities like this one, I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next home tour.